Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to this another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can scrap the email addresses from Instagram profile ID. Now I'm going to show you my Upwork profile. And now the thing is that I have running this tool. Now I call this Google result scrapping tool. So let me show you first the data I scrapped. Here is the data. It contained two columns, link and email. So the link of the Instagram account, and then I scrapped the information. So here are the piece of information I have scrapped from my uh, PC, and now here is it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. You will going to enjoy this video. Sorry, I start my let me fix my English. So here is it. I'm going to delete this and simply run the file, and now there is the query, the search query, and the search query I want to go. This is the basically the Google Docs. The Google Docs search query site instagram.com fitness New York and @gmail.com. It will simply scrap those IDs which belongs to New York, and it contains the Gmail address in there. You can see in their description. So we can do anything what we want. You can set Google Docs according to your requirement. I'm gonna run the bot, and here is the time to run the bot. Let me show the timestamp. Yes, so here is it. I'm gonna run this application, and now you will see this. It will automatically type, and now here is it. You can see this. Simply go click on next button, scrap the data, and it show you it was this solution was fastener, and it was completely automatic based solution, and I developed this crawler using playwright library. Check this out. Finally I was able to develop fast and turbo scrappers. Now check this out. I have managed and I have arranged the time intervals according to the PC speed and requirement. So don't worry about that. This is a very fast and turbo solution, and you can see in the very short amount of time it processed at least 20 pages almost. Okay, so here is it, and now you can see this, and the data was finally scrapped, and here is the result. Now you can see this. I've done in just 3 or 5 minutes. I have scrapped 173 email. They are not they are same, but we can say this. It scrapped huge amount of data in a very short amount due to lack of internet proper connectivity. They are at least 23 pages, but it only do 19 pages in just we can say 2 minutes. 2 minutes is scrap data from 19 pages. So this is the fast and the turbo scrapper I've developed in Python. I hope you guys really like this video. If you need this, I mention my contact details in the description, and I hope you can see this. And here is the last thing, my Upwork profile. I'm a professional Python developer. Unfortunately, my old Upwork account was suspended, so I have created a new one. Now if you need this, if you want, so you can simply contact me on my Upwork. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.